Well, you know when it comes to community development, me's all for that. Especially when it comes to an international, conglomeration. You understand?
Yeah,
of
man.
Young people exchanging ideas and sharing culture. We can't pay for that.
Real Xpressionz, my general.
Yeah.
I want to tell you say to you, what heap of girl are flying in that place, all different type of nation, all different type of race. You know what I tell you?
Yeah.
And that train them and educate them about the culture and things, you see me?
Love that.
Yeah. It's a good look, man, I tell you for real.
Yeah. I love that,
Mm-hmm.
Because guess what? One of the same reason make I come round here and I come link there, Because so I know say you are on the ground. I have some projects with some multilateral partners where I come on street. Well, along the same line of cultural exchange and community development. You understand?
Oh.
But no, you are telling me this, I wonder if I should have checked this woman's name. Why should name Mansu?
No.
Or I should have just go to the others as we usually do.
That I have link. That I have link, you see me? Because you the lady all share do a funny thing, you see me? And that of them really oversee the thing. So your project, that the man for deal with it. And you know, say anything they done say, Allah.
Say less. Because come to think of it, there's a saying we say, beware of men bearing gifts. Yeah, because I know the dadas there, and I just want to make sure I remind them that not all that glitters is gold.
That's true, that's true. Yo, you know, I don't really trust nothing, but anything they done them I do, I always work with it, you see me, but I oversee the thing.
Yeah.
I know, say, politicians and them high class people, they don't really give me things without them and get back something, you see me?
Exactly. And I want you to know, say, you understand? So I have some multilateral partners that come online and some things that will happen where I will benefit each and everyone in the community. But brother, it can't happen if there is disturbance and problem between the eye and the other man over red lane. You understand?
No.
So how that going? Govern?
Wrong good, man. Believe me, man. Wrong good. From what day, no look at disturbance, you see me? And that's business where I deal with.
That is where I want it. Because this is where I come on. I want this community, likewise Red Lane, to benefit from it.
True.
And it can't happen with little foolishness and go on. You see me? Because right now, I have to do peer damage control over by stone face and hit this them girl. It's like the man them want to hit it off.
Hit it off. So what you had? Hold on. Kingman, how you say? Stone face and it is a war?
Yeah, brother. But that is a long story. And to tell you the truth, the bar even open so we can wet the throat while we are talking about it. But you know this remind me. It's been a minute me I nearly forgot what the eye look like I am. Been a minute me see the eye without the eye thing grass. So I said I like to drink the governor now.
Yeah. You know, I free up the face because you don't know. We don't really fight no battle and lose, So we just eliminate the opposition and out the road again.
That is it. So what you say? You never catch some case to do for that triple team there.
No, I know. You never know who breathes through. You know what I'm saying? You know, that's how we go to work, man. Discreet.
We do things, but only when it's very necessary.
That's a lot.
You hear that? You see? Oh, hold on. Not far. Hello. What I say? Oh, don't worry. Don't say fart. I will be there short order. Pest control. Yo, you hear me? You don't know emotion here.
Alright, yeah,
So that's why I stay up. Yeah.
Yeah, on the ground, man.
Alright.
Man, I'm going to follow the bar, but I show more time.
So party, man. Bless our man. Let the others know say we have work to do here. Alright.
So, we can get all of our problems. It doesn't know. I didn't see it. Man, I see I'm a general.
Oh.